This is the second makeover of Tooey. She initially was a kind of a golden oak tone. I painted her this two-tone green, and the customer that purchased her does not have anything green in her bedroom. So we went with a blue French country look. She's going to have layers and two tones. This is the base coat that went on over the green. So there's going to be some dimension and other colors peeking through. Which really makes her very aged looking and pretty and having that French vintage appeal. I mixed this color to the whole paint that I'm using is Retique chalk furniture paint. I do have some Waverly paint as well, chalk finish paint mixed in there. I decided on this color that I'm using on the door panels that it had just a little too much of a violet hue to it. So I went back later and changed this color. I went over with a lighter blue. I also did a whitewash to tone down the blue gray all over the body. And this is what we end up at this point with more to come. The next video will come soon that will show her detail work.